Welcome back to Infinite Mindset Media. Today, we're going to delve into the truth about online surveys and whether they can truly help you make money. If you've ever wondered about this popular method of earning extra income, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the legitimacy of online surveys. Many reputable market research companies and survey panels offer paid online surveys. These companies collaborate with businesses and organizations seeking consumer opinions and feedback. Participating in surveys allows you to share your views and get compensated in return. Now let's discuss the income potential of online surveys. It's important to set realistic expectations. Online surveys typically offer a modest income rather than a full-time living. The compensation for each survey can vary based on factors such as length, complexity, and the panel's policies. Rewards are often in the form of cash, gift cards, or points that can be redeemed for various rewards. Your eligibility and demographics play a significant role in survey opportunities. Companies conducting surveys have specific target demographics in mind to gather accurate data. Factors such as age, location, gender, occupation, and consumer habits may influence your eligibility for certain surveys. It's important to be aware of this when signing up for survey platforms. Earning a living solely from online surveys requires a significant time commitment. Survey availability can fluctuate, and it may take time to qualify for specific surveys based on pre-screening questions. You need to regularly check your email or survey panel accounts for new opportunities. Remember, online surveys are more suitable for earning supplemental income rather than a primary source of livelihood. So where can you find the best paying online surveys? Here are a few reputable platforms to consider. Swagbucks, known for its wide range of survey options and user-friendly interface. Survey Junkie, a well-established platform that offers a straightforward experience and a point-based reward system. Vindale Research offers cash rewards for completing surveys and has a reputation for timely payments. Limit Influencers provides various survey opportunities and allows you to redeem points for cash or gift cards. Inbox Dollars offers paid surveys along with other activities like watching videos or playing games. To maximize your earnings, consider signing up for multiple platforms and regularly checking for new survey opportunities. Additionally, explore other avenues such as participating in focus groups or product testing to diversify your income sources. In conclusion, online surveys can be a legitimate way to earn some extra money, but it's crucial to have realistic expectations. They are unlikely to provide a full-time living. Remember to be cautious of scams and avoid platforms that promise exorbitant earnings or request upfront payments. Thank you for watching.